Hello friends, I am Lakshman. You're watching Learn Programming by Lucky Saur YouTube channel. I hope you're enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos and share to your friends as well. In this video, you will know what is SQL and why SQL is so important. As you all know, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a standardized query language, deals with relational database and performs various operations with data such as insert, update, delete, query. All the RDBMS such as Oracle, MySQL use SQL as their standard database language. Further, the SQL language is divided into clauses, expressions, queries, statements, etc. SQL is a declarative, not an imperative programming language. It allows users to define and describe the data, create and drop tables. SQL has many more different functions. Now let's come to the point why SQL is so important. So these are the reasons the SQL is so important. The first one is SQL helps you to find the needed information or data easily. SQL is a query language, not a programming language. You can easily write commands almost same as you write English. The third point, it quickly stores and gets data from the database quickly. SQL is used for the query, insert, collect, and manages data from the database. The last point, almost every database system will need SQL for further processing. Now let me tell you, there are 4 reasons to learn SQL if you are still not planning to learn it. The first one is it doesn't require coding. SQL easily manages the database system without any requirement of adding significant code. It does so by using standard SQL. The second one, portability. I think this is the main benefit of SQL. You can run SQL on desktop, laptop, servers, tablets, even on the smartphone. Also, the database can easily move from one device to other. The third one, easy to learn. As I told you, it is the easiest language, contains English statements. You can easily learn to write queries and manipulate data. So that's all about some of the information. What is SQL and why SQL is so important. So if you like our videos, so please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos and share to your friends. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.